Welcome to another Skyrim Cooking with Bane, and we're cooking from the Elder Scrolls official cookbook, but we'll change it up a little bit. Anyway, today we're trying the Companion's Meatball Bake. So they fight together, drink together, and perhaps most importantly, feast together in the hall of your Vasker. As the companions are proficient hunters, these meatballs might be made of whatever has been freshly caught, be it bear, venison, boar, mammoth, or what have you. So, today we're going to be using ground chicken. But first what we do is we preheat the oven to 450, and we rub oil on the little baby potatoes. I used red potatoes because they taste best. So it said to use a pound. So you just use however many you want to use. That goes with the meatballs. So we have all these oiled up. The oven is preheated to 450. You cook it for 15 minutes. But you don't want to bake them all the way through because they got to bake with the meatballs. So next up is making the meatballs. So it was 1 pound of meat, which is the ground turkey, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 1 clove of minced garlic, which I used 1.5 teaspoons. That's a larger clove of garlic. And we used 1/4 teaspoon of the Stormcloak seasoning. I used a little more for extra flavoring. Okay, and this is what the meatballs are made from. So you just mix it all together. Number one, before you start anything, you need to really wash your hands, and I did. I've washed my hands like 3 times already. Okay, so we are going to wait for the potatoes to bake a little bit, and when I come back, I'll have some meatballs ready to go, and we'll try for the next step. Okay, we're back. So I made the meatballs the size of the little potatoes, and you alternate them in this is a small casserole dish because we're not going to cook everything. So, and then you make a little sauce, which is 1 cup of boiling water, 1/4 cup sour cream, we use light sour cream, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I used 4 to give it some extra tomato flavor. Now you're supposed to put it all in here until it looks like that. Okay, so you lower the heat on the oven to 350. We're going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to bake it for 30 because the meatballs have to bake all the way through. So when we come back, we'll show you what it looks like. Aww. Okay. Oven has beeped. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, what I forgot to mention was that we were supposed to cut the potatoes in 1-inch slices. So I tried to cut them, but it didn't turn out that well. So anyway, this is what they're supposed to look like. Now this is with ground chicken. Oh yeah, sour cream. I can taste the sour cream. And the storm cloak seasoning gives it great flavor.
So cool.
How's it taste?
So cool.
Tastes really good. And that's the Companions Meatball Bake. That's Skyrim Cooking with Bane.